The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the one song came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate two pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. The night he had a stomachache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cuckoo around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he put a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. The end. Wow! Thank you for listening to the story. Please subscribe to our channel so you can be notified as more stories are added. Also, please tell us in the comment section below what stories are little ones and the lifetime results of education.